Happy Wednesday to all of you friends. Many new relief checks will be going out this year. According to Congress's new announcement, Social Security beneficiaries could see an extra boosted monthly benefit increase very soon. Millions of senior citizens may be eligible to receive a $1,400 stimulus payment from our federal government. So my friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you are a Social Security recipient and would like to receive additional financial aid. Also, share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. If you would like to enter my $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this Friday, then please be sure to listen for the keyword from this video.
And today, Mr. President, with the stroke of your pen, we will take a giant step to achieve your vision, to build America's roads, bridges, water systems, and so much more, creating good-paying union jobs, ensuring clean air and clean water, delivering better quality of life with equity, helping businesses thrive, and turbocharging our global competitiveness, connecting communities again through the internet, and making America safer as we protect our planet. And we do so building back better. This historic achievement was possible thanks to so many who have been acknowledged already, honors granted to all of them, to our chairs, members, and staff, who have in every step brought a depth of knowledge, commitment, and values-based leadership that is making a difference. Especially I salute in the House Transportation Infrastructure Chair, Peter DeFazio, a maestro of all things related to infrastructure and sustainability. I do want to acknowledge Mr. Clyburn, who was taking great pride, I think almost blushing, when our guest from the Carolinas was talking about broadband especially, but among other things. Thank you, Mr. Clyburn, for your leadership and all of that. May I just say and associate myself with
millions of senior citizens have been hit very hard by inflation, which is at its highest in 30 years, eating into fixed incomes and creating hardship for many. This situation has prompted calls from top Democratic lawmakers and advocacy groups for a remedy in the form of a one-time $1,400 stimulus check for those receiving Social Security benefits. So on an annual basis, the Social Security Administration increases monthly payments to account for any rise in the cost of living. Although this year's cost of living adjustment was the highest in 40 years, higher Medicare premiums will offset much of those gains. Additionally, the record increase could also put some beneficiaries into a higher tax bracket, further eroding the annual boost to entitlements. Although benefits are indexed so that beneficiaries do not lose purchasing power as inflation pushes up the cost of everyday items, the increase for 2021 was just 1.3%, or an extra $20 per month on average. However, as the United States climbs out of this economic crisis, which also disrupted supply chains worldwide, there has been unprecedented inflation in 2021. Around 86% of Social Security recipients surveyed told an advocacy group called the Senior Citizens League that their expenses increased by much more than that amount. This has forced them to take drastic steps after having exhausted their retirement savings. Hundreds of thousands of Social Security recipients have told the Senior Citizens League of the hardships they are experiencing because they cannot afford the rising prices of everyday necessities. So my friends, it is very clear that as this crisis continues to affect us, more stimulus checks must be sent out as soon as possible. That is why the Senior Citizens League began a petition earlier to bring a collective voice to members of Congress. The goal is to build enough support from seniors and the public to urge Congress to issue a $1,400 stimulus check to help Social Security recipients. This would be a form of non-taxable income so that seniors would not need to worry about their tax burden increasing or by being knocked out into a higher tax bracket Besides higher taxes, the increase could also bring with it a rise in surcharges to the Medicare Part B premiums, both of which would completely offset any gains. So my friends, do you all support a $1,400 one-time stimulus check for all Social Security beneficiaries? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. The good news, friends, is that there are many lawmakers that do want to pass a fourth round of stimulus checks. So far, there have been calls for recurring stimulus checks. A one-time check for more than 64 million Social Security beneficiaries would come with a price tag of nearly $90 billion. There are other measures that could help senior citizens right now. Democratic Representative John Larson, chairman of the House Ways and Means Subcommittee on Social Security, has reintroduced a bill called the Social Security 2100 Act. If this were to pass, Social Security benefits would get a boost and implement a new indexing system to more accurately account for inflation. The proposal would also raise thresholds above which recipients' income, including Social Security, is taxed. According to Representative John Larson, the bill improves the annual cost of living adjustment formula to better reflect the costs incurred by seniors through adopting a CPI-E formula. This provision will help seniors who spend a greater portion of their income on health care and other necessities. Improved inflation protection will especially help old retirees and widows who are more likely to rely on Social Security benefits as they age. Friends, the keyword for this video is hummingbird. If you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch, and please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Lawmakers have also stated that the bill would protect low-income workers. Larson said no one who paid into the system over a lifetime should retire into poverty, and therefore the new minimum benefit will be set at 25% above the poverty line and would be tied to wage levels to ensure that the minimum benefit does not fall behind. Well, my great friends, thank you so much for joining me here today. That is the end of my daily stimulus update video. I greatly and truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please do me a big favor and share my video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news. Thank you very much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.